Dear friends, in daily life, we often tend to seek out nutritious and expensive foods to nourish our health. But a few people know that sometimes the miracle cure lies right in the simplest, most rustic dishes. Peanuts, also known as ground nuts, are a typical example. This small so inexpensive nut, commonly associated with meals, bowls of sweet soup, or simple hometown gifts, actually contains many valuable health codes. Especially, recent scientific studies have found that just eating about 4 to 5 peanuts a day can help reduce the risk of stroke, a disease considered the leading silent killer among middle-aged and elderly people. So what makes an ordinary peanut become a shield protecting the brain and cardiovascular system? How should peanuts be eaten correctly to maximize benefits without harming health? Let's explore these details together on the Everyday Life channel right now. Why can peanuts help prevent stroke? 1. Good fats, the gatekeeper of blood vessels. Peanuts contain a high amount of monounsaturated fats, a type of fat praised by cardiologists as the good friend of the heart. This fat can regulate cholesterol, helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, thereby limiting blood fat. Prevent atherosclerosis. When fat does not accumulate thickly on vessel walls, the risk of blood vessel blockage is significantly reduced. Reduce stroke risk. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, people who eat peanuts or similar nuts 5 times a week have about a 20% lower risk of stroke compared to those who eat them less. 2. Resveratrol, the natural antibiotic against blood clotting. The special part lies in the thin red silk skin surrounding the peanut. It contains resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant commonly known from red wine. Resveratrol has the effects of preventing platelet aggregation, reducing blood clot formation, the main cause of stroke and heart attack, fighting vascular inflammation, keeping the circulatory system flexible, protecting nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals, a risk factor in brain degeneration and Alzheimer's disease. This explains why folk wisdom says eating peanuts with the red skin is truly beneficial. Not only preventing stroke, peanuts also bring 4 golden benefits. 1. Regulating blood sugar, preventing type 2 diabetes. Peanuts contain magnesium and arginine, 2 important nutrients that increase insulin sensitivity, thereby controlling blood sugar levels. Reduce the risk of insulin resistance, a factor leading to type 2 diabetes. A Harvard University study tracking over 80,000 women showed that those who regularly ate peanuts or peanut butter had a lower incidence of type 2 diabetes than those who did not. 2. Improving digestion, nurturing beneficial gut bacteria. Peanuts contain soluble and insoluble fiber, an excellent food source for good bacteria. Regular peanut consumption helps improve bowel movements, reduce constipation, balance gut microbiota, support immunity, prevent some digestive diseases, including colon cancer. 3. Nourishing the brain, slowing memory decline. Peanuts are rich in lecithin, niacin, and vitamin E, 3 nutrients considered the golden trio for the brain. Lecithin participates in the structure of nerve cell membranes, enhancing brain signal transmission. Niacin, vitamin B3, improves blood circulation to the brain, reducing the risk of cognitive decline. Vitamin E, an antioxidant that slows neurodegeneration. This is why, for the elderly, a small handful of peanuts daily can help maintain clear memory. 4. Beautifying skin, anti-aging. Not only good for the heart and brain, peanuts are also a natural cosmetic from within thanks to these vitamin E and B vitamins. Help skin elasticity, brightness, and reduce wrinkles. Zinc, Supports skin cell regeneration and quick wound healing. Antioxidants. Neutralize free radicals, the culprits of premature skin aging. In dry autumn, a little peanut in your diet can help keep your skin soft and less cracked. How to eat peanuts correctly? To maximize benefits without harm, peanuts should be eaten in the right amount, at the right time, and prepared properly. 1. Reasonable amount. 4 to 5 shelled peanuts per day, equivalent to 15 to 20 grams of peanuts with skin. Eating about 5 times a week is enough to gain benefits without worrying about excess calories. 2. Best timing. Eat as a mid-morning or afternoon snack to stabilize blood sugar, reduce cravings, without affecting main meals. Avoid eating late at night as it can cause bloating and indigestion. 3. Smart combinations. Eat with yogurt. Helps increase calcium absorption and is good for digestion. Cook with lotus root. Nourishes the spleen and moistens during dry seasons. Use as a topping for salads or porridge. Enhances flavor and adds good fats. 4. Limit harmful preparation methods. Avoid eating burnt peanuts as they may produce harmful substances, acrylamide. Avoid moldy peanuts as they may contain aflatoxin, a toxin that can cause liver cancer. Who should be cautious when eating peanuts? Although nutritious, not everyone can eat a lot of peanuts. Some groups need special attention. 1. People with gallbladder diseases. Because peanuts are high in fat and require a lot of bile for digestion, they may increase the burden on the gallbladder. 2. People with gout. During acute attacks, should minimize intake because peanuts contain purines that can raise uric acid. 3. People with allergies. Peanuts are among the most common allergenic foods. If symptoms like itching, rash, or difficulty breathing occur, stop immediately and go to the hospital. 4. Overweight or obese people should not eat too much due to high calorie content. 100 shea peanuts have about 567 kcal. Small but bringing great benefits, peanuts truly deserve to be the treasure in the family kitchen. Just a few peanuts a day can boost cardiovascular health, prevent stroke, improve memory, support digestion, and beautify skin. The important thing is not eating expensive foods, but choosing simple foods wisely, eating correctly, and in the right amount. Sometimes, a handful of peanuts in autumn is more precious than many imported superfoods. Thank you for following today's content on the Everyday Life channel. If you find it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to explore more healthcare tips from simple, familiar ingredients around us. Everyday Life, where small things create great health.